Hello everybody, Skill-Tek here, and today I'm going to be teaching you another yo-yo trick. This is for something called a one-handed GT, and it goes nice in a one-handed combo, and it involves a wrist whip, and because of that I'm going to go ahead and take off my watch. Now if you don't know what a wrist whip is, it's kind of like doing just a normal trapeze, except you're not going to use your pointer finger at all. Instead, you're just going to use your wrist on one hand. So if you notice when I go like this, the string comes around it, the bottom of it, like that. And what you're going to do with that, as it's coming around, is you're going to take your wrist and catch it on your wrist. So if you see that again, what I'm doing is I'm hopping it up, taking it, whipping it around my wrist, and catching it on that string right there. Just like that, and that's a wrist whip. There's another variation of this one-handed GT, which I'll show in a little bit, which involves doing it around the pointer finger, just like that. So after you get the wrist whip down, like that, you're going to go ahead and drop it, like that, and you'll while your wrist is in here, you're going to sneak out your thumb and push right there, so it'll be kind of pinching these, and then that's when you'll hook right there and take out your wrist, and you'll have your GT. From there, dismount by throwing it towards you, and then you can bind with whatever one-handed bind you like to use, and it makes for a good combo. Now for the other variation, you're going to do the wrist whip, except instead of using the wrist, you will be using the finger, which looks like that. And as you can tell, it is much more difficult because there's a much smaller space for the string to wrap around, but once you get it, it'll look like that. And this way it's a little bit easier to just slide it off and go like this. And that is the one-handed GT. If you enjoyed this trick, make sure to leave a like on the video, and I will try to do more of these. Also leave a comment if you want more made-up tricks, and I will see you next time.